Going to love this tutorial where we create a bit more advanced version of Daisy Brooch, where I use the same pattern but a bit different techniques and materials. In more advanced version, which is level 2, I use crystals, I frame middle crystal with pearls, I use semi-precious stones and freshwater pearls to decorate our petals. Consider to subscribe to this channel not to lose weekly useful tutorials and upgrades, because next tutorial will be about Daisy Brooch level 3. This is our first beginner-friendly brooch. You can find tutorial here. Let's start. As always, I secure my thread in the middle of my future embroidery. I take beading thread, single thread, and I will start with my outline like I always do. In this case we used seed beads for our outline, and today I decided to use zircon stones, small tiny crystals in yellow color, and we do simple stitch. We just take, this time my step will be 3 stones and to default. We create outline 3, then I go back and I enter into the stone. We take another 3 tiny stones. As you remember, I said with every tutorial I will show you how you make your brooch look more expensive, and I will give you few more techniques to add to your creation, and we make our outline. Here are our last 2 crystals, and I come out in between these 2 crystals, what I last added, and I go up to start my second petal. This way. If needed, I will help myself with the pliers, but very careful. And we continue all the same 2 or 3 crystals in one stitch, and we go till this part, then we enter to the crystals and we start our next petal. And here are my 2 last crystals. I will come in between them, we'll go out from the last one and we'll enter in 4 crystals of my first petal. Like that, I will connect all the parts together. This way. Pull. Our outline is ready. I will secure my thread. As I prefer to secure the thread after every step I take, now I will make my thread double by making a knot on my tail, this way,
And I will make a cross with my thread to secure my double thread. Now I will make my middle. Middle will contain of crystal. In our first variation of daisy it was just one bead, but this time I think I will add crystal. Small crystal in metal base, and I will sew it on with my double thread. Now I take one pearl for 4mm pearl, one same crystal I used for our outline, one pearl, one crystal, one pearl. I will take as many as I need to go around my middle element, and like that our middle will be finished. Here I am, 7 pearls of 4mm and crystal in between, and I enter into my first pearl to connect my circle this way, and I enter to the felt. Now what I will need to do is I will need to sew on bead by bead to the felt. Like that it will be attached to our felt. We come out in between every pearl and crystal, and we go around the thread and we sew on this thread to our felt. It's ready. I will secure my thread and I will take new thread. I secured my thread and I will start to embroider my petals. For it I will take freshwater pearls, small tiny freshwater pearls. I will add, I think, 1 to each petal, and after I will just embroider everything same way as we did in our first brooch, with seed beads, but in a bit pearl color, not white but pearl color. Idea here is not to make it too complicated, but in the meantime to make an upgrade of our first brooch. Like that it will be easier for you to use these techniques together and understand how you can upgrade your other creations. I already have 1 freshwater pearl attached to my petal, and I start to embroider everything with seed beads. Check seed beads, size 10. Same way as we did in our first brooch, by sewing on seed beads in different directions, one by one. And my first petal is ready. Now I will continue to sew on pearls and seed beads to my other petals. And I will be back to you when all my petals are ready. And here we are. I have finished all the petals. And now I will make this part for inside. I will make it from the same crystals I used for my outline. But first I will take 2 seed beads and then 4 crystals. 2 seed beads will go inside the hole this way. I will leave 1 crystal and I will enter all the way down 3 crystals and 2 seed beads, and then into the felt this way and pull. And again, here is another hole. I take 2 seed beads, 4 crystals, make sure our seed bead is going down, skip 1 crystal and enter into the 3 crystals and 2 seed beads and pierce the felt. Pull. This way I will go all around my crystal. I have finished to make our middle part. As I said before, where I had holes, I added 2 seed beads and 4 crystals, but where I don't have any hole in between, I just added 4 crystals. And like that we have this beautiful result. Now I will secure my thread. I will cut out this brooch.
Don't forget to subscribe, because next week I will share with you more advanced way how you can finish your backside. But in the meantime, you are very welcome to go and check this tutorial where I finish our first beginner friendly brooch. See you soon next week.